If you're over 50, chances are you've noticed little changes in how your body moves. Maybe your balance feels slightly off when you reach for something on a high shelf, or you feel a little unsteady when getting out of bed too quickly. It's normal. Our bodies change as we age. But here's the great news. Balance, stability, and confidence can return faster than you might think. In fact, science shows that just 3 simple balance exercises can dramatically improve your strength, coordination, and confidence in just weeks. These aren't complicated workouts or extreme routines. They're gentle, intentional movements that retrain your body to feel grounded, strong, and youthful again. And when combined with a few smart lifestyle choices, a nourishing diet, light daily activity, and a positive mindset, the results can feel nothing short of life-changing. After 50, many people begin to notice subtle shifts in their stability. Simple tasks like stepping off a curb, reaching for a high shelf, or walking across uneven ground can suddenly feel more cautious. This doesn't mean your body is failing. It means it's asking for attention. The science of balance recovery reveals something truly empowering. Even as we age, the body and brain remain remarkably adaptable. The key lies in understanding how to stimulate that adaptability through movement. Balance is not just a matter of strong legs or good posture. It's an intricate dance between your muscles, joints, nerves, and brain. When one part weakens, the others adjust. But over time, those adjustments can create instability. The good news is that through deliberate, consistent balance exercises, you can teach your body to respond faster, stabilize better, and move with youthful confidence again. At the center of this process is neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Each time you practice a balance exercise, whether standing on one foot, shifting your weight, or walking heel to toe, you're not just strengthening muscles, you're sending powerful signals to your brain that say, pay attention. The brain responds by improving communication between your sensory systems, your eyes, your inner ear, and your muscles. This renewed coordination is what helps you catch yourself before a stumble, maintain your footing when you turn suddenly, and move gracefully without hesitation. It's like upgrading your body's internal operating system, making it more responsive to the world around you. One of the reasons these exercises work so quickly is that balance is a skill. Unlike any skill, it sharpens with practice. When you repeatedly challenge your body in controlled ways, you activate tiny stabilizer muscles that often go unused in daily routines. These muscles, especially around your ankles, knees, hips, and core, serve as the foundation for your balance. As they grow stronger and more responsive, your movements become steadier, and your confidence naturally returns. Even something as simple as standing on one leg while brushing your teeth, or doing a few slow heel-to-toe walks across your living room, begins to reawaken those forgotten neural pathways. Within days, your body starts to respond differently. You feel more centered, more grounded, and more aware of how you move through space. Another powerful scientific factor at play is proprioception, your body's ability to sense its position in space. As we age, proprioception tends to dull, but balance training reignites it. By deliberately challenging your stability, such as closing your eyes while balancing, or standing on a soft surface, you force your brain to recalibrate and strengthen the communication between nerves and muscles. The result is improved body awareness, faster reflexes, and fewer missteps. Studies show that older adults who engage in just 10 to 15 minutes of targeted balance work daily experience dramatic improvements in reaction time, gait stability, and even posture. It's not magic. It's biology responding to consistent effort. What's truly fascinating is that this improvement happens faster than most expect. Unlike muscle growth, which can take months, balance adaptation begins almost immediately. The brain learns quickly when it's challenged safely and consistently. After only a week or two of practice, many people notice they're standing taller, walking more confidently, and feeling more in control. This rapid progress fuels motivation. It shows that aging doesn't have to mean decline. Your nervous system is still capable of learning, adapting, and thriving when given the right input. Of course, it's important to remember that balance training doesn't require intensity. It requires awareness. Gentle, mindful movement produces the greatest results because it engages both the body and mind. Focused breathing, slow transitions, and deliberate motion help strengthen not only the muscles, but also the brain's ability to coordinate them. Every session, no matter how short, contributes to rebuilding your stability. You're teaching your brain to trust your body again, to find its rhythm, and to move with assurance. The beauty of this process is that it restores something deeper than balance. It restores independence. When you move with confidence, you reclaim freedom, the freedom to walk where you want, to bend, stretch, and enjoy activities you love without fear. The science of balance recovery isn't about perfection, it's about renewal. It's proof that your body still listens, still learns, and still responds to care and effort. Even after 50, your body has an extraordinary capacity to heal, strengthen, and rediscover equilibrium when you give it the chance. Balance is not built by exercise alone. It's nourished by the way you live each day, the food you eat, the way you move, and even how you rest. After 50, the body's systems become more sensitive to the choices you make, and small, consistent habits can shape your physical stability and overall well-being more powerfully than any single workout. The muscles that keep you upright depend not only on practice, but on proper nutrition, hydration, and recovery. When you feed your body what it truly needs, it responds with energy, coordination, and resilience. A balanced lifestyle is like a silent coach. It keeps your body supported even when you're not actively exercising. The first pillar of this lifestyle is nourishment. The foods you eat directly influence how well your muscles recover, how strong your bones remain, and how efficiently your brain communicates with your body. A diet rich in lean proteins like fish, eggs, beans, and chicken provides the amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow stronger after each balance session. Vegetables and fruits, particularly those high in antioxidants such as spinach, kale, blueberries, and oranges, protect your cells from oxidative stress that naturally increases with age. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds play a crucial role in keeping your joints flexible and reducing inflammation, making every movement smoother and less painful. When your body feels nourished rather than burdened, your energy levels rise, and your motivation to stay active becomes effortless. Hydration is another often overlooked key to stability. The inner ear, which controls much of your balance, depends on proper fluid levels to function correctly. Even mild dehydration can cause dizziness, fatigue, or a feeling of unsteadiness. Drinking enough water throughout the day keeps your blood flowing efficiently, your muscles flexible, and your coordination sharp. A hydrated body is a responsive body, one that reacts swiftly when you shift, reach, or step. It's a simple habit that directly supports your sense of equilibrium. Movement outside of structured exercise is equally powerful. Light daily activity teaches your body to stay alert and balanced naturally. Walking barefoot on safe, smooth surfaces helps strengthen the tiny stabilizer muscles in your feet, which send constant signals to your brain about your body's position. Gardening, dancing, or taking short walks after meals keeps your joints lubricated and your circulation active. Even household tasks, when done mindfully, like reaching, bending, or carrying light objects, help maintain coordination and flexibility. Balance is learned in motion, and every moment you choose to move instead of sit, you are teaching your body to adapt and stay strong. Your environment also shapes your balance more than most people realize. Keeping living spaces clutter-free prevents unnecessary stumbles, while choosing supportive, comfortable footwear maintains proper alignment through your hips and spine. Having good lighting reduces the strain on your visual system, which your brain heavily relies on to orient your body in space. Each thoughtful adjustment in your surroundings creates safety and confidence, allowing you to move freely without fear of falling. Sleep and recovery complete the foundation. During rest, your body repairs tissues, processes movement patterns learned during the day, and recalibrates hormones that affect strength and alertness. Quality sleep enhances your focus, reaction time, and physical performance. Without adequate rest, your balance efforts become harder to sustain, and fatigue begins to compromise stability. Going to bed and waking at consistent times helps regulate your body's rhythm, keeping you alert and ready to move with ease each morning. Underlying all of these habits is the principle of consistency. You don't need to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. The greatest transformations come from small, intentional steps repeated daily. Choosing a balanced meal instead of a processed one, taking a 10-minute walk after dinner, doing gentle stretches while watching television, or drinking one extra glass of water, Each of these actions reinforces your body's natural equilibrium. Over time, these habits become second nature, and your body rewards you with strength, clarity, and confidence. When balance training is supported by proper nutrition, movement, hydration, and rest, it becomes more than a physical routine. It becomes a sustainable way of living. Your body learns to perform in harmony with your choices. Your energy stays consistent throughout the day, and you begin to feel lighter, steadier, and more capable in everything you do. Aging does not mean losing control. It means refining your connection to your body and understanding what it needs to thrive. By nurturing yourself inside and out, you give your balance training a foundation that lasts for decades, allowing you to live with grace, agility, and strength in every moment. Balance begins in the mind long before it shows in the body. What you believe about yourself, your strength, your ability to improve, your capacity to adapt, shapes every step you take. After 50, it's easy to fall into the quiet trap of self-doubt, to think that wobbling, stiffness, or slower recovery are signs of decline. But science and experience show a different truth. The human mind has the power to direct change, even late in life. When you shift from fear to faith, from hesitation to hope, your body follows that energy. The neural pathways that control movement and stability are influenced by thought, intention, and focus. A confident mind sends clear, consistent signals to the body, allowing it to respond faster and with more control. This is why mindset is not just emotional, it's physiological. Your belief becomes a blueprint for balance. Every time you tell yourself, "I can do this," your brain strengthens the connection between determination and movement. Motivation triggers the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which improve coordination, energy, and focus. These chemicals literally make movement easier and more enjoyable. On the other hand, fear and self-doubt activate stress hormones that tighten muscles and slow reflexes, making balance feel harder. So the way you think changes the way you move. A positive mindset is not wishful thinking, it's training your nervous system to support your goals. This is why many older adults who approach exercise with optimism and curiosity progress faster than those who see it as a chore. The body thrives on encouragement. Developing this empowering mindset begins with awareness. Notice your thoughts before you move. If you tell yourself you might fall, your body becomes tense. But if you breathe deeply, focus on your strength, and remind yourself that you are capable, your muscles soften, your breath steadies, and your movements become fluid. Confidence grows through small victories. The first time you hold a pose longer, the moment you realize your steps feel lighter, the day you move without fear. Each of these achievements reinforces your mental resilience, creating a feedback loop between your thoughts and your physical performance. This is how change becomes sustainable, through repetition, reflection, and self-belief. Another crucial aspect of mindset is patience. Progress after 50 doesn't always move in a straight line. Some days you'll feel strong, others you may feel stiff or tired. That's natural. What matters is the willingness to keep showing up. Each practice session, no matter how brief, tells your brain and body that balance is still a priority. Consistency signals commitment, and commitment turns hope into results. Instead of focusing on perfection, focus on presence. When you give full attention to how you move, you build mindfulness, a calm awareness that keeps you grounded in every moment. That mental stillness not only improves coordination, but also reduces anxiety and the fear of falling. Gratitude also plays a profound role in maintaining balance. When you appreciate what your body can still do, rather than mourning what it once did, you shift from frustration to empowerment. Gratitude softens the nervous system and helps you reconnect with your body in a compassionate way. Each time you practice balance exercises, see them as moments of celebration, not correction. This gentle approach encourages consistency because it replaces pressure with joy. The goal is not to chase youth, but to embrace vitality at every age. Mindset is also about identity, seeing yourself not as someone who is aging, but as someone who is evolving. The language you use matters. When you say, "I am strong," "I am improving," or "I am capable," your brain aligns with those truths. You begin to move through life with assurance, standing taller, breathing deeper, and responding to challenges with calm determination. This self-image becomes the foundation of balance, both physical and emotional. Even simple practices like visualization can enhance results. Taking a few moments to picture yourself walking with confidence or standing tall before you practice balance exercises activates the same brain regions involved in actual movement. Visualization primes your body for success, preparing your muscles and nerves to perform smoothly. Over time, these mental rehearsals become reality. You start to embody the strength and steadiness you imagined. The mind is a powerful partner in every stage of physical improvement. It motivates you to begin, sustains you when progress feels slow, and celebrates you when breakthroughs come. When your thoughts, breath, and movement align, balance becomes effortless. The fear of falling transforms into trust, and what once felt fragile becomes strong again. With each step forward, you're not just training your body, you're rebuilding belief in yourself. This union of mindset and movement renews vitality from the inside out, proving that the strongest foundation you can ever build begins with the way you think about your own potential.